I met the Emir myself. Wananiambia, oh, Kenyans are very good people. You know, they are contributing to our economy. Which is okay. But nani alisema these good people cannot contribute to their own economy at all? Mnanielewa? So, please, let me persuade you. Let me persuade you that we can do this ourselves. And I'm not, it's not just you I'm trying to persuade. I did sit down with the former Prime Minister, Raila Odinga. We had this conversation. And he was 100% on board. I did sit down with Uhuru Kenyatta 2 months ago to have this conversation, that it is time for us to move Kenya away from this mediocrity. You know? And we agreed. I have come for you. Mukubali jameni, tusukume hii Kenya, tubadilishe hichi. We have a country to mind. You know, we have a country to think about. Because it disturbs me, you know, that Kenya can be a great nation, but we are not moving. Na shida si wananchi, shida ni viongozi sisi. It is us who must think and take the country to the next level. Just persuade you and move together.